The Benelli TRK 702X delivers a compelling value proposition, lots of modern tech, comfortable touring ergonomics, and respectable performance, especially on paved surfaces or light gravel. However, it's let down by softer build quality, heavy weight, and ABS/brake behavior under stress. If your priorities are a budget-friendly, feature-loaded ADV that's fun on-road and fine off-road, it's worth a test ride. But if you aim for long-term reliability, thrill-seeking power, or plan to tackle serious off-road or remote riding, stepping up to a Yamaha Tenere 700, Honda Transalp, or BMW GS might be a wiser investment.